So hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to fix this card which can join the server. It's pretty simple fix and I'll teach you how to do it. So all you have to do basically, if it's not really working, if you're using your Android application or Android phones, is head into your settings and then clear your cache. Second, if it doesn't work prematurely, all you have to do is delete the application and install it again. So you can just head on to your App Store or your Google Play Store and just go ahead and search for your discard, and from there just install it again and maybe it will work, and if it does, you are in luck. But if it doesn't, it has a problem within the server, it might be deleted or it might have been changed already. So just get a new discard link so you can join the server or just reinstall it. And here, as you can see, you can join servers like Leonardo AI and other things like that. So there you go guys. I hope you like this video and see you again next time.